Well, good morning. This is the patient right here that I currently have a part for some maintenance and new bushings I'm making for the suspension. So first things first, my trusty little chop saw. You'll see all these little red pieces of plastic I was chopping. That was to get my width dimension dialed in. Once I had that where I wanted it, then I'd go ahead and cut the Delrin, which comes like that, 3/4 inch exterior, 1/4 inch ID. And I got that from McMaster Car, so it would just come up there, chop, and then I come over here and I'll be real close on sizing, but to get it dialed in, I'll take and it'll smooth the surface. You can kind of see it cleans it up. I don't go too crazy. I just want to make sure that all the burrs are off and it's clean. So there's the 3 that I'm making now. And then we will be going over to the drill next. Open these holes up to 1/4 inch so that I can fit them onto this. And then I'll show you what I do next. I don't have any super fancy tools for machining, so this is how I get around it, at least for this. I suppose I could use my drill press, but I'm just enlarging the hole so I can get that 1/4 inch in it. They're a little undersized, actually. Okay. So now I've got this old crappy Shopsmith. I remember, I think I got it from my grandfather. But so basically we're going to take this now that I chucked up in a 1/4 inch bolt, snugged it up, and that's going in here. You know, I know this is kind of a backyard way to do this, but like I said, I don't have a bunch of fancy machine tools like a lot of people. So I make do. Yeah, we'll just see how this goes today. I don't know if you can see it even. Using a heavy file, take some off of it. One reason I chose Delrin, it's actually really easy to work with. For some reason the table wasn't quite square. But you do need one of these. There's no getting around it. Yeah, I'm still way too big. I'm about 30 thousandths too big all still. Maybe 25. shakes too much coffee this morning. Still got a ways to go. I think that'll probably work. You can kind of see what we got going on there. So here is the new bushing getting ready to go in here. I got it sized right. First of all, let's just make sure. You know, I think I'm going to downsize this one just a little bit more. For some reason, I recall these particular bearings were really hard to get out of here. Okay, I'm back. As it turns out, I did turn it down a little bit more, but it has a slight taper. So it started real nice, and I'll just finish it so it'll be nice and snug. I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, I had to put it on something solid, and it went nice and flush, just like it should. So yeah, you want to make sure the dimensions on these bushings match the bearings. So this one went in super nice, actually. No problem. Got one more to make. Alright, time to do some drilling. I got that last one put in, no problem. And I got a series of bits that I'm going to use. I'm going to do all four with each bit, but I'm going to just do the first ones and then maybe the last ones for you to take a look at. That should be all right. It feels very flat. It's not very flat. That's probably okay. That feels a lot better. Should square that up. Actually, looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, this will be the last one. This is 10 millimeter, but it does a job. There we go. One down. 3 more to go. Well, there it is, all sort of reassembled, and we will get it installed here shortly after I get a couple things I'm doing, and then I'll report back after I test it.